My name's Doyle Parker. I've lived in North Carolina all my life, except when I was in the military. And what I do is mainly hobby work in wood and wood carving every now and then, and gun stock carving. And what I like to do is make mostly in my woodworking, I make gifts for my family. I just do this for fun and for enjoyment and for the challenge. And I found out that the more mistakes you make, the better you get. Okay, first thing I did, I believe in quality, so my stuff is quality grade, even though sometimes it don't act like it, but I buy the best I can at these box stores. And it's a cabinet grade plywood. It's like $60 for an 8x4 sheet of plywood. So you're gonna have better off if you get your own skill saw and cut it, or your table saw and cut your own wood, because you got to allow for your kerf. So you're going to be like a 1/16 of an inch off on. It ain't going to be exactly 24 inches because you got the kerf in your saw. I used a joiner to join the wood right, to make sure it was flat. When I put it together, I used the Kreg jig. The Kreg screws and all are really good to use. That's the only thing you can use really.